Hi there. If your video files are being displayed as VLC icons, you can enable the thumbnail view to see previews of your video files. In the File Explorer window, click the three dots and select Options. Go to the View tab. In the Advanced Settings panel, under Files and Folders, uncheck Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. Click Apply and OK. All the video icons are now converted to thumbnails. Press the Windows key and type Performance Options. On the Visual Effects tab, select Show Thumbnails instead of Icons. Click Apply and then OK.